Unleashing creativity, using active voice in personal essays and narratives. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of personal essays and narratives. We're going to explore the use of the active voice in these types of writing. The active voice is a powerful tool that can make your writing more engaging, clear, and direct. Let's find out how. Active voice is when the subject of a sentence performs the action. It's a straightforward way of constructing sentences, where the doer of the action is clear. Here's an example. Active voice: I baked the cake. Passive voice: the cake was baked by me. Notice how the active voice sentence is more concise and direct. That's the beauty of it. In personal essays and narratives, the active voice brings life to the story. It creates a sense of immediacy and makes the reader feel more involved. Clarity: active voice sentences are generally clearer and easier to understand. Engagement: they create a connection with the reader by making the action feel immediate. Personality: using active voice allows your unique voice to shine through your writing. When writing a personal essay, the active voice helps you express your thoughts and feelings more directly. Here's a tip. Use I statements. Start sentences with I to show your personal perspective. Example: I believe that education is the key to success. In narratives, the active voice can make your storytelling more compelling. Show, don't tell. Use active voice to show actions rather than simply telling about them. Example: John chased the bus, instead of, the bus was chased by John. Create tension and excitement. Active voice can make action scenes more thrilling. Example: the wind howled, the thunder crashed, and I ran towards shelter. Active voice is more than just a grammatical choice. It's a way to enliven your writing and connect with your readers. In personal essays and narratives, it brings clarity, engagement, and personality. So, don't be passive. Unleash your creativity with the active voice. I hope this video has shed some light on how to do that. Keep writing, and stay inspired.